Dear students, at the very outset, I welcome you all to this online student induction program organized by Maratha Vidya Prasarak Samaj's KRT Arts, BH Commerce and AM Science, popularly known as KTHM College, Nashik. I am Tushar Patil, Assistant Professor in the Department of English and a coordinator of Soft Skills Development Cell of KTHM College. Friends, first of all, we will understand the meaning and the concept of soft skills. Soft skills are a combination of public, social, communication, character, and personality skills. Let us understand the meaning of both the words that come together and form a very attractive terminology, that is soft skills. Soft is the opposite word of hard. Hard skills mean the skills which are evaluated or assessed through a particular system. Means when you pass FYBA and get a mark sheet, that mark sheet is the evidence of the hard skills which you have acquired going through the examination. Soft skills are often do not assessed in the life of human being, but they are the very foundation of human life. They teach us how to live a life. They teach us how to behave with others, and above all, they help us in our overall development. So this is one of the very crucial terminology, soft skills, that you are going to be associated in the coming days. Friends, soft skills are very important because they enable us to adjust to the frustrations and challenges in our life. They make us confident. They develop healthy mutual relationships. They enhance creativity among us, and most importantly, they enhance our common sense. Common sense means when, how, and what to talk with whom and why. I repeat, common sense means when, how, and what to talk with whom and why. So this is the importance of soft skills that you are going to be acquainted with in the coming days of your FYBA. Friends, here is the list of some important soft skills which we need to ponder upon. First of all, positive attitude. Having a positive attitude means being optimistic about the situations, interactions, and about yourself as well. That is why positive attitude matters a lot to become a successful person in our life. Second soft skill, which is time and stress management. When you manage your time, you decide which tasks and activities are most important to you. It is said that plan your work and work according to the plan in order to avoid the stress in your life. That is why time and stress management are one of the important soft skills. Then comes communication skills. I am very sure that the concept of communication of yours is very much clear. It is needless to explain the meaning of the process of communication. But communication skills is needed to speak appropriately with a wide variety of people. When we talk about communication skills in English, you must have good mastery over 5 components or attributes of English communication skills. They are L, which stands for listening. Second, S, that stands for speaking. Then R for reading, W for writing, and I for interaction. So L, S, R, W, I, these are 5 basic attributes and components of English communication skills. Friends, I am very happy to state that the Department of English of KTHM College offers an innovative and a very special program which is based on the communication skills in English, which is called as a functional English. So when if you want to develop or enhance your communication skills in English, I think you should visit to the Department of English and inquire about the functional English. Then comes interview skills. It is a structured conversation where one participant asks questions and another person responds to the questions of the first person. Interview technique or interview skills is a structured conversation. It is a systematic conversation where there is no scope for any informal communication. After your graduation or post graduation, you are supposed to appear and face interviews in your life. Then you will understand probably the importance of interview skills in your life. Then CV writing. CV, the blending of these two words or acronym of this CV stands for curriculum vitae. It is your portfolio of your academic and personal attributes, and it is a skill of writing or drafting a catchy and attractive CV. That is your first impression for the owner of your company or the designatory authority of the institution where you desire or you wish to serve for. So it is very important to write catchy and attractive CV. We will cover in the coming sessions how to write the attractive and catchy CV. Then comes the presentation skills. Presentation skills are needed for delivering effective and engaging presentations to a variety of audiences. Friends, what I am doing right now, I am presenting the topic of soft skills before you. If I do not have any presentation skills, I might have baffled or confused in presenting my topic excellently and attractively. That is why presentation skills matters in our life. Then comes interpersonal relationships. Interpersonal relationships are the behaviors and tactics a person uses to interact with others effectively. You might have observed that the people who are living next to each other, means living as a neighbor, they always quarrel on a very senseless and trivial issues. It means that they do not have interpersonal relationships. If you have healthy interpersonal relationships, you will become a socially acceptable and ideal person. So for that reason, interpersonal relationships matters a lot in our life. And the last one, which is very important, that is body language. Body language is a type of non-verbal communication in which physical expressions are used. It means that instead of words, we use physical expressions in order to convey or communicate message from one person to another. So what type of physical expressions do we use? We use facial expressions, we use body posture, we use gestures, we use eye contact, we also use sometimes touch in order to convey the message from our side to the receivers. So this is one of the very important skills you must possess or you must have in your life. Friends, I have been observing that soft skills development program is making tremendous changes among my students. They become very confident and socially more sound through the participatory sessions of soft skills development program. They become more friendly to others since we always have heterogeneous groups in soft skills development program. The participant students in the batches of soft skills, they belong to arts, commerce, science, BBA, BCS, biotech, BHOC and BSc in animation. Means 8 disciplines that we have on our campus. Students come from all the disciplines. We form a heterogeneous group of SSDP and you come across with the different students learning to the different courses. In that sense, you become more friendly with other students through soft skills. And the most catchy change the students show is that they become good communicators. They know what to speak and when to speak. So friends, I appeal to you to become a part of this confluence called soft skills. I will see you soon with a registration process of soft skills in the next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.